Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, the place where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Erika.
And I'm Marco. Hi, Erika. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. I started my day with a short walk outside. The fresh air was lovely. What about you, Marco?
I'm okay, but a bit sleepy. I stayed up later than usual last night.
Oh, really? What were you doing?
I was watching an English movie with subtitles.
Ah, subtitles. Those words at the bottom of the screen.
Exactly. English subtitles. I thought it would be good practice.
It is great practice, Marco.
Yes, but now I'm paying the price. I'm tired. The problem is, you always want to watch just one more scene, one more episode.
I completely understand that feeling. Well, today we have a very special topic.
Really? What is it?
Today, we're talking about your brain.
My brain? Is something wrong with it?
No, your brain is perfectly fine. We're going to talk about how to train your brain, specifically, how to train it to think in English.
Think in English? That sounds really hard.
It might sound hard, but it's not impossible. And I have some simple tips for you.
I love simple tips.
I know you do. But first, Marco, do you really believe you can learn to think directly in English?
Is it truly possible?
Yes, many people have done it. It takes time and practice, but it is absolutely possible.
How much time are we talking about?
It's different for everyone, but if you practice a little every day, you will start to notice a change, maybe in 1 month, maybe in 2.
1 or 2 months? That's not so long.
No, it's not. And every day it becomes a little easier.
Okay, I feel more confident now.
Good, that's the right attitude, confident and ready to learn.
But before we dive in, don't we have a small request for our listeners?
Yes, thank you for reminding me. Dear listeners, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button, subscribe to Enjoy English Talks, and share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
That really helps us a lot. We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's talk about your brain.
My favorite topic, my own brain.
Marco, let me ask you something. When you speak English, what happens inside your head first?
I think in my native language. I make a sentence in my mother tongue and then I translate it into English.
Exactly. You think first, then translate.
Yes, and then the English words come out wrong or too slowly or I just forget them.
That is a very common problem. Many learners do this. They think in their first language and then translate.
Is that bad?
It's not bad, but it's slow, and it makes your brain work twice as hard. You're doing 2 jobs at once.
2 jobs? That sounds exhausting.
It is. And when your brain is overworked, the result is often slow speech or strange sentences.
Yes, sometimes my translated sentence sounds really weird or completely wrong.
So today, our goal is simple. Stop translating, start thinking directly in English.
That's the dream.
Yes, we want your brain to work one time. Think in English, speak in English.
That sounds much better, but how do we do it?
I have 3 tips for you today.
3 tips? I'm ready.
Tip number 1, think in small sentences.
Small sentences.
Yes, very small. For example, right now, what are you doing?
I am sitting. I am sitting on a chair.
Perfect. That's a small English sentence. I am sitting on a chair. Simple and easy.
That is very simple. So I just say what I see or what I do.
Exactly. For instance, when you wake up in the morning, what do you think?
I think I am tired.
Yes, I am tired. That's English. That's thinking in English.
Okay, so I just use short sentences with easy words?
Yes, that's tip number 1. Let me try another example. Look outside. What do you see?
The sun is bright. I feel warm.
Perfect. 2 small sentences, 2 English thoughts. Easy. It's like taking a photo with words.
A word photo. I love that idea. Simple, clear, beautiful.
You can do this anywhere. On the bus, in the park, at home, everywhere.
Okay, on the bus. The bus is full. People are standing. I have a seat. I am lucky.
That's wonderful, Marco. You're an English poet on the bus.
This is actually fun. I really like this tip.
The more you practice, the more natural it feels. 1 small sentence at a time.
1 small sentence. I can do that.
Great. Now tip number 2, input.
Input? What does that mean?
Input is English that goes into your brain. You listen to English, you read English. That's input.
Like this podcast?
Exactly. When you listen to us, English flows into your brain.
So I'm doing input right now? And our listeners too?
Yes, input can be many things. Songs, movies, simple books, even children's books.
I like children's books. The pictures are nice.
The pictures help, and the language is simple and clear.
So the more I listen and read, the more my brain learns English?
Yes, your brain hears English again and again, and slowly it starts to feel normal, like music. When you hear a song many times, you know all the words.
That's a great example. Input is like music for my brain.
Exactly. And there's one more thing about input, a very useful technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Not exactly. Shadowing means you listen to English and then repeat it immediately after. You copy the words, the sounds, the rhythm.
Ah, so I listen to someone speak, then I say the same words like an echo.
Yes, you can listen to this podcast, pause, and repeat what we say.
So right now, our listeners can practice shadowing with us.
Yes. Hello, listeners. Try it. Repeat after us.
That sounds like fun, and it helps your mouth learn the sounds.
Exactly. The words become easier to pronounce. So tip 2 is get lots of input and try shadowing. Now for tip number 3, output.
Output. That means English coming out of my brain, speaking and writing.
Very good, Marco. Input is in, output is out. Easy to remember.
And output is important because input alone is not enough. You can listen for years, but if you never speak, you cannot speak.
That's right. You need to use the English you learn. You need to speak it.
But what if I have nobody to talk to?
Good question. Here's the answer. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Maybe, but you will learn English. That's a good trade, right?
True. No pressure. No one watching, no one judging.
Exactly. You can make mistakes freely. Try again. Make more mistakes. Your brain is practicing.
Okay, I'll try. I'll talk to myself at home in English.
For example, you're in the kitchen making coffee. You can say, I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. I'm a little hungry. Maybe I'll make some toast.
That's like my own English radio show, just for me.
Yes. Welcome to Marco's Kitchen. Today we are making coffee. It's a beautiful morning.
I can also describe what I see. Right now, I see a table, a window, a blue sky, a green tree outside.
Perfect. That's output. Simple, natural English coming from you.
It feels easy when I think of it that way. I don't need perfect grammar.
No, you just need to try. Every time you try, your brain gets stronger.
And there's another way to do output, writing.
Yes, you can write to yourself in English. Keep a small diary, just a few sentences every day. Today I went to the shop. I bought bread. The bread was very good.
That's easy. I can write in the evening.
Writing is output too. Your brain practices English when you write.
So I'll talk to my coffee in the morning and write in my notebook at night.
You're becoming the perfect English student, Marco.
Thank you, Erika. I try my best.
Let's review the 3 tips quickly.
Please do.
Tip 1. Think in small sentences. Short, easy words. I am sitting. I am tired. I am happy.
Small sentences. Got it.
Tip 2. Input. Listen to English and read English every day. Podcasts, songs, movies, books, and try shadowing. Repeat after the speaker.
Input. English in.
Tip 3. Output. Speak English. Talk to yourself. Write. Use what you know. Output. English out.
Even in the kitchen. Especially in the kitchen. Hello, coffee. How are you today?
Perfect. Your coffee never judges you.
My coffee is very kind.
Now, one more important question. How much time do you need every day? 2 hours? 3 hours?
I was thinking maybe 1 hour?
No. A little every day is enough. Just 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours on a Saturday. Why? Because your brain learns through repetition, doing something again and again, daily. That's how habits form.
So 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes every day.
Exactly. After 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, you will feel a real difference.
I never thought about it like that. Small steps every day.
It's like building a house, 1 brick every day. Slowly, you have a beautiful English house.
I love that image. And habits are important. Try to do it at the same time every day.
Yes. For example, every morning with your coffee, 10 minutes of English. Listen to a podcast. Read a few sentences. Talk to yourself.
Coffee and English every morning. After a week, it feels normal. After a month, it feels easy. After 6 months, people will say, "Marco, your English is so good."
And you will say, "Thank you. I practiced with my coffee."
Perfect answer.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
This was so helpful, Erika. Thank you.
You're welcome. And thank you to everyone listening.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks if you haven't already. Give this episode a like, it helps us a lot, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English.
We have a question for our wonderful listeners. Do you talk to yourself in English or in your native language? Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
And remember, small sentences every day. A little is enough. Your brain is listening. Your brain is learning.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.